Hello everyone, in the previous video I shared with you how to install TrollStore on an iPhone to achieve permanent access to dual apps such as Facebook and TikTok. You can say goodbye to the annoyance of having to reinstall the self-signed apps every 7 days on the iPhone. From now on, installing apps on your iPhone will be as convenient as on an Android phone. Last time we used Sideload to install TrollStore. However, Sideload requires downloading a more than 100 megabyte Anisette plugin during the installation. If your computer's network environment is unstable, the download will fail and you won't be able to install TrollStore. Today, I'm going to share with you an easier way to install TrollStore, which is to use iTools to sign and install TrollStore. This method is equally successful and even simpler with a higher success rate. Okay, let's take a look at my iPhone now. Let's go. Okay, now welcome to my iPhone. So my iPhone is iPhone XS. You can see from the desktop I already installed the TrollStore here. So with the TrollStore I installed the dual app of the Facebook, dual app of the TikTok. Let's have a look. Dual app the Facebook, dual app the Facebook too. Yes, the TikTok. Yeah, we can see the interesting funny videos of the TikTok and the TikTok too. The dual app TikTok too. Yeah, so you can use these dual apps permanently. There's no need to reinstall those dual apps every 7 days. If you're using the Sideload, normal Sideload, then you need to reinstall those two apps every 7 days. But with the help of the TrollStore, yes, with the help of the TrollStore, this installation is permanently valid. There's no need to reinstall them. You can use these two dual apps, Facebook 2 and TikTok, permanently. This is really convenient for you. Yes, and let's have a look. And my iPhone is the iPhone XS, and my version is the software version is a 6.5. Yeah, 6.5. So the TrollStore 2 now support the 6.5 from 16.2 to 16.5, and from iPhone XS to iPhone 14s. Yes. So let's have a look of this TrollStore here. This is a TrollStore. I'm using the TrollStore to install those dual apps. It's very easy. You can download the apps from the website, and the TrollStore can help you to install the downloaded apps directly install these apps onto your iPhone. So the logic is, first I'm using the iTools. In the previous video, I introduced using the Sideload to install the Misaka, but it's a little bit complicated. But now today's video, I will show you how to use iTools, a new tool to use iTools to install the Misaka. And after that, we use the Misaka to insert the program into the tips. Let's have a look. This is the tips after I inserted the program. Now the tips look like this. Click here, you can see the tips was inserted with the program. After that, then I can use the tips to install the TrollStore. That's the whole process. Okay, next step, I will delete all those applications to make my phone the same as your phone. Then I will show you step by step how to install the TrollStore with this simpler method to use Misaka to install. Insert the tips with the program. Yeah, we can use iTools. Okay, now next I will TrollStore here. Click the TrollStore. I will delete the TikTok dual apps. Uninstall the dual apps. Yeah, uninstall, and uninstall the TikTok. Uninstall, and uninstall the Facebook too, the dual app. Uninstall. So to make my phone the same as yours. Yes, now all deleted here. So this is the original Facebook, so I will leave it alone. Okay, so next step, I needed to use the tips. Inserted the tips, yes, the tips to uninstall the TrollStore to make my phone the same as yours. Yeah, uninstall TrollStore. Click this one. Okay, so uninstall persistence helper. So click it to continue. So everything gone. So after that, then I will make the Misaka. Yeah, delete the Misaka, remove the app, delete app, delete. Okay, perfect. Then I deleted the tips. Yes, because this tips is inserted with the program, not the original version of the tips. Okay, then I click. Now I remove the app, delete the tips. delete, and I needed to delete this SIM node. This is the iTunes helper here. I will also delete it, remove the app, delete. This is the iTunes Sideload assistance. Delete it. Okay, perfect. Now my phone, everything done, deleted. Then I will reinstall the tips. I just recommend you that just delete the tips and reinstall the tips. Here we search the tips for the tips. Let's have a look here. The tips, and we just download, reinstall again the tips. Yes. This is the iPhone's original tips. Yes, finished the download and install the tips. Go back to the desktop. You can see this is the original tips without the inserted program. You can see some introduction of the iPhones, some user manuals. Yeah, this is the original tips. Okay, so leave it alone. Now the tips is here. Now next step, we will use our PC to download the two files. One file is the iTunes. Another file is a Misaka with our PC. Let's move to my PC. I will show you step by step. Okay, welcome to my PC. First, I will open this GitHub official website of the TrollStore. Yeah, this expert developed the TrollStore for us to use sideload the apps permanently. Thanks for this expert, OPA334. Yes, thanks his effort. Okay, I will put this web link down below this video description. Then you can open the web link, and after you open the web link, you just go down, scroll down to have a look. You can see the TrollStore now supported the version of the 14th to 16.16.1 and 17 is the version, I mean the iOS version. And for installing TrollStore, refer to the guides. Let's click this guide here, ios.cfw guides. Click this guide here. Yes, you click this guides and go to the website to see how to install the TrollStore. Yes, here is a table. So this table is divided into two columns, left columns and the right columns. Here it said A11 chips. Here A11 chips, which means the iPhone 10, and A12 chips, which means iPhone 10s. Yes, but because my iPhone is the iPhone 10s, so I will use this column's way to install TrollStore. And here, this two column is the iOS version which support from the old version to the new version to from 2. So I'm using the iOS 16.5. So from 16.2 to 16.5, the iOS version is supported for the A12 from iPhone 10s to iPhone 15. Yeah, iPhone 15. So if you are with the old versions of the iOS, then you can see it here, iOS 14 to iOS 14.8.1, and your iPhone is iPhone 10s before the iPhone 10s. Then you can use this solution here, and your iPhone is with iPhone 10s, you can use this solution. So it's different. So for me, I'm using the iOS 16.5. So I will use and my iPhone is iPhone 10s here, this one. So I will use this Misaka. So it depends on your iPhone's version. So Misaka, this is solutions. For other versions of the iOS, which is for example from the iPhone here, from the iPhone Troll Helper OTA, you can see Troll Helper OTA. This is the simplest way. If you are using the iPhone with iPhone 10s or later, and your iOS version is from here, this one to this one, and from this one to this one, and from this one to this one. So it's very easy to install the TrollStore. You can I will show you here the same way. Troll OTA. Click this one. OTA, and you can just click this web link on your iPhone. Just using your iPhone, open this link, and it can install the TrollStore directly onto your iPhone. This is the simplest way. Yeah, this is the simplest way to install the TrollStore. It depends on your iOS version. If you are using the older version of the iOS, so this is the simplest way for you. Yes, but for me, I'm using a newer version of the iOS here. So I'm using iOS 16.5. So I will use this solution installing the TrollStore with the help of the Misaka. Yes. So I first need to install the Misaka, and using Misaka to insert the program into the tips, and I'm using the tips to install the TrollStore. Okay, so I click this Misaka here, click this Misaka, and so this time I'm using the simpler solution. So I no need to download the Sideload or download the iTunes. I just jump these 2 steps. I just only needed to download this Misaka only. And with another tools I just mentioned is this iTools here. This is the official website, although it's in Chinese, but no problem. Here, yeah. This is a 64 version, and this is the 32 version of the Windows here. Click the first tab here. And if you are using Mac, yeah, let's just click this one here. You can see this is a Mac version. So it's dependent on your system. Just go back, click this first tab. You're using Windows, click the first tab, and I'm using Windows 11, so I will click this Win62 button to download this iTools. Okay, then I click this Win64. Please click this button to download this Win62 version. Click download, and you will see the download of this Win62 version of the iTools. Okay, so next one is the go back to this web page, and go back to the TrollStore web page here, this table, and we needed to click this. My version is 16.2 to 16.5, and go to the TrollStore here, Misaka, and we only needed to download the Misaka this time. Click this, finish the download, and click this Misaka, and let's go to the Misaka. Okay, let's go to the latest version. For now, the latest version is 3.54.1. So I will download this one, Misaka version 3.341, this one. But before you download this Misaka, you need to switch off your virus program. Otherwise, it will protect you to download this Misaka. It will misreport that this is a virus. No, but it is a misreport. Okay, let's go to the virus settings, and go to the virus and threat protection, and go to manage settings, and switch off the real-time protection to temporarily switch off. Yes, temporarily switch off your virus protection, and click this button to download the Misaka. Click this button to download the Misaka onto your PC. Yeah, just be patient. It is not very big. Okay, so everything done. Finished the download. Let's go move to, finish the download. Let's move to my folder. Okay, we already downloaded this Misaka and this iTools, i4 tools. Okay, first we just double click to install the i4 tools. It's very easy, just to download, and it will help you automatically install this iTools. And although it's in Chinese, but don't worry, we click this button to tick this button in, and click this blue button to install the iTunes. Here, click this blue button to install the iTunes. It will automatically install the iTunes, and it also will help you to automatically install the driver for the iPhones. Everything is automatically. It is easier than if you're using Sideload, because if you're using Sideload, you need to manually install the drivers, install the iTunes, install the iClouds. So it's a little bit complicated, but for this time it's very easy. And now click this button, blue button, click it, the blue button, and it will run these iTunes applications automatically. Let's have a look. Yeah, you can see the iTunes is also running, and you can see it automatically to install the iTunes here, the iTunes driver. So it depends on your internet speed. Just be patient. After finished installing the iTunes and the Apple drivers, then you can continue to the next step. Just be patient. Here is the progress bar. This depends on your network speed. Be patient. Okay, job done. Now everything is installed. Then let's can see this is a screen, and now let's connect our iPhone with this PC here. I will connect my iPhone with this PC. Let's have a look, and with the lightning cable to connect with my PC. Let's have a look here. Yeah, you need to trust here. You need to trust this PC. Click trust this PC and key in your passcode. Okay, I finished keying my passcode, and now you can see it automatically install Sideload assistance here. It's no problem. Install the Sideload assistance, and click here, click. Okay, and let's move to this suitcase and put our iPhone aside here. Put our iPhone aside, and let's click this button of this suitcase here. Click this suitcase, and click this OK button here. Click this OK button, and let's have a look. And you can see that here is small icon here, IPA. Here we will use this IPA to self-signing the Misaka. Yeah, this is very important. Click this suitcase, although it's in Chinese, but don't worry. Click this suitcase, suitcase, and go down. You will find this IPA. Yeah, IPA with the Chinese means IPA signature. Here, IPA signature. This one, this button. Click the IPA. Click it. And this is a very important step. We will use this function to self-sign the Misaka into this IPA. Okay, let's click this button, IPA button, which means add the IPA. Click this button, add the IPA, and go to the download folder. Here you can see this is IPA 341. Click it and click open to open this Misaka. And here click this checking this checkbox. Check this checkbox and go to here, Apple ID here. Click this Apple ID. Click this Apple ID here, and we need to add an Apple ID here. Click this Apple ID. Click here, click this button, click it, and key in your Apple ID here. Okay, keying your Apple ID. For me, I just key in my Gmail is use as my Apple ID. Then keying your Apple ID's password. So be carefully keying your correct password. Okay, so and click this button here to save this password. Click this one, save this password. Okay, now everything job done. Then click this blue button, which means okay. Click this blue button here. Click this blue button. Okay, so now next we tick in this checkbox. Ticking this checkbox, and we will self-signing our Misaka to using this iTools. Okay, but be carefully that before you click this blue button, you need to switch off this virus protection. Otherwise, your self-signing will be failed. So you need to make sure that this real-time protection is switched off, and then temporarily switch off, and then we click this blue button to self-sign this Misaka. Click this self-signing. Click it, and now it is in progress. And if your Apple ID is switched on the two-step verification, then you will see the two-step verification code pop up on your iPhone. Yeah, my iPhone has received this verification, and I click confirm, and then you need to key in your passcode of the two-step verification code. Then I will key in my two-step verification code on my iPhone. Here is 521 and 88880. Yes, okay, then click OK. So now it will do the progress of self-signing these Misaka applications. Just be patient. If you key in the correct Apple ID and the correct password, then you will be successfully signed this Misaka. Okay, just be patient. You will see the success here. Just be patient. It will need 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, so you can see this. The green character, the 4 green characters, which means the self-signing successful. But if you see the red color, which means you failed. If self-signing failed, which means you key in the wrong Apple ID or the wrong password, that means which will cause this self-signing failed with a red character. But for me, you can see with this green character, the 4 characters, which means the self-signing is successful. Okay, then we just after we finish the self-signing, we just click this button. This here, see IPA. This here is with the IPA. Here, this button. Click this button with the IPA. Click it, and we open this folder, and we just select this Misaka and right click to install with the iTools. we can right click here, the first one, which means, although it's in Chinese, but no problem, you can see using iTools to install this Misaka here. Although it's in Chinese, but no problem. You just click it, and after you click it, and go back to your iTools here. Go back to iTools, you can see here, which means install in the Misaka into your iPhone. Yes, install the Misaka into your iPhone here. Okay, then I click this button to install this Misaka into my iPhone. Click it, yes, click it, and let's close it. Close this window, close it, and you will see here it's installing this Misaka here, installing the Misaka with 70%. Just be patient. After the 100%, you will see the Misaka on your screen here. So job done. Everything is done on our PC. So all the outstanding steps will be finished on our iPhone alone. So no longer need this. No longer need this PC again. So let's go back to our iPhone, and we can unplug this lightning cable, and all the outstanding steps will be finished on our iPhone alone. Here, okay. Okay, now welcome to my iPhone. First, let's have a try if we can open the Misaka or not. Click open Misaka. Oh, we cannot open the Misaka. We did click cancel. Then we needed to go to the settings here. Go to the settings and go to the general here. Click the general and go down. You will see the VPN and the device management. Click the VPN and device management. We needed to here log it. This is my Apple ID. We click this Apple ID. We needed to trust this Apple ID. Yes, trust this Apple ID. After that, we can use this Misaka. Click this trust, this Apple ID, and click trust. Yeah, perfect. Let's go back, and go back. After trust this Apple ID, then we needed to go down to the privacy and the security. Click the privacy and security, and go down. We needed to open the developer mode. Yeah, yes, we needed to open the developer mode. Click it. Now it's off. You can see it's off, and we needed to open the developer mode. Click the developer mode, click it, and switch on this button. Switch on the developer mode, and the iPhone required to reboot your system. Click the restart. We needed to restart our iPhone. Okay, after your iPhone rebooted, yeah, my iPhone is rebooted, then there will pop up a window for you to confirm that you turn on this developer mode. I will turn on my developer mode, and key in your passcode of the screen passcode. Okay, I will key in my passcode. Okay, I key in my passcode, so now the developer mode is also all switched on. Okay, so now let's have a try if we can open this Misaka or not. Okay, we click Misaka, click it. You can see, if Misaka would like to send you a notification, we click allow. Now it is hard working with exploiting our iPhone. Yes, click next. And if you want to donation, you can donate to the developer here, the PayPal. Okay, I click close and click continue here. And agree with the terms and services. Click agree. Click this agree. Yeah, it's very easy. Then let's move to the packages here. Go to the packages and go to this box here. This box. Click this box. Yeah, this box. Click this box, and you can see here install TrollStore. Click this button. Install TrollStore. After click it, just be patient. It will lag behind 1, 2, or 3 seconds. Now you can see. Here, the tips. We will insert the program into the tips. Yeah, this is very important. Click this tips. Click this tips. First one, tips. And let's have done. You can see done. It's okay. So, which means it is successfully inserted into the tips. Okay, let's click OK and go back to our desktop. Let's have a look at the tips. Click the tips. Have a look. If anything different, click the tips. Yeah, the tips is crashes. You can see here. The tips is crashes, which means we successfully inserted this TrollStore into the tips. Okay, then we need to reboot our iPhone. Here, we need to reboot our iPhone and to see the tips. Okay, reboot. Okay, my iPhone was rebooted. Now let's have a try the tips. Click the tips, have a look. Yeah, perfect. We already successfully inserted the program into the tips. Yes, now the tips was inserted with this our program. Now we needed to install the TrollStore with the tips. Click the install TrollStore. Click this button. It will installing the TrollStore onto your iPhone. Now with the respire, it will respire and go back to the desktop again. Then see the TrollStore is successfully installed onto your desktop. Yes, it's cool, right? Then let's have a look. I click this TrollStore. Click this TrollStore, open the TrollStore, it will automatically installing the LDID. Let's go to the settings here. Go to the settings. Here you can see LDID already installed. And the next step, we need to install the persistence helper. Click this persistence helper, click it, and we needed to make this persistence helper into our tips. Here, we needed to click these tips, and this persistence helper will be installed into our tips. Now everything perfect. Let's go back and let's go back to the tips again. See? So you can see here, uninstall the persistence helper, which means the persistence helper is already installed. Now everything is perfect. Job done. Everything is perfect. The TrollStore successfully installed into our iPhone. Now next step, how can we install the apps? It's just as easy as Android phone. For example, if we want to install the dual app of the Facebook, this is original Facebook from the App Store. And if we want to install the dual apps of the Facebook, we just open the web link here, website. It's a Safari website. We can download the apps directly from the website or from the share drive, anything, everywhere. You can just download these apps here. For me, I download from this website, Facebook Duo. Click this button to download this Facebook Duo apps. Click this button to download. It's very easy to do these things. Click this. Now it's in the progress of downloading. Click it. Click this downloading button here. And you can see it's downloads here. Click this downloads. You can see now it's downloads from this website. I will put this web link to download this video description for you to download the Facebook Duo. Yes. So and the TikTok Duo for you to download it from this website. And after finish the download the Facebook, you just click this apps. Yes, it's very easy. Click this Facebook app and click this left side button. Click this left side button, click it. And you can see the TrollStore is already here. And you can use the TrollStore to install the Facebook Duo apps. Click the TrollStore, click it. Yeah, you can see some instructions and click this install button, and it will install directly into your iPhone, which means permanently sideload this Duo app of the Facebook onto iPhone. Yeah, finished. Facebook 2 Duo apps. Go back to the desktop. You can see here now this is a second Facebook. This is a second Facebook 2. This is a first original Facebook. So two Facebook can be installed on your phone permanently. You can use this Facebook to permanently with this side loading method with the help of the TrollStore. There's no need to reinstall this Facebook to every 7 days. This is really annoying. After using the TrollStore, gone. We can say goodbye to the self-signing reinstall every 7 days. Yes, with the help of TrollStore. It's a very genius of these applications. Okay, so job done. Everything is done. So now you can use these every Duo apps happily from forever. Yes. If you like my sharing, don't forget to thumb up, and see you next time. Bye bye.